감사해요. 감사해요. This is another way of saying thank you, and this is used to say thank you in a polite but less formal way. Again, 감사해요 means thank you. Next word is Chota. This is an adjective which means to be good, but this is also used to say that something is good. Again, Chota means good or to be good. Next word is Kumana. Again, it's Kumana. This is used to say stop it or enough in an informal manner. Again, it's Kumana. Next word is Chingu. Again, it's Chingu. This is simply the Korean term for friend. Again, Chingu is the Korean term for friend. Next word is Coma Oil. Again, it's Coma Oil. This is a polite way of saying thank you in Korean. Again, Coma Oil is a polite way of saying thank you. Next is 잠깐만 or 잠깐만. And this is used to say wait a minute or hold on. Again, this word is 잠깐만 or 잠깐만, which means wait a minute. Next word is 빨리. Again, it's 빨리. This is used to say hurry up. Again, 빨리 is used to say hurry up in Korean. Next word is Kunyang. Again, it's Kunyang. This is used to say just because or there is no specific reason. Again, Kunyang means just because. Next word is Itoba. Again, it's Itoba, and this is used to say see you later. Again, Itoba is used to say see you later in Korean. Next word is to pucha. Again, it's to pucha. This is used to say see you again in Korean. Again, to pucha is used to say see you again in Korean.